So, you've got your acoustic guitar, you've got your guitar strap, and you're ready to strum standing up. So first things first, you put this part on here at the bottom of the guitar, and then, hey, where's the other guitar strap button? If you've got a brand new guitar strap, there might be a piece of string included that you're going to need. Or have you thrown it away because you thought, the heck do I need one of these for? Otherwise, grab something sturdy like a shoelace. Now, nobody's going to judge your piece of string, so it doesn't matter what color it is or anything like that. Don't stress about it. Just make sure it's strong. Now, thread it through the end of the strap that you're going to use. Now, it's not going to harm the strap. And if your strap seems a little short, a little too short to reach the neck here, just make sure you've extended it by doing this. Now, pass it through the part of the guitar at the top here, at the neck, top of the neck, and under the strings. Your guitar strings are going to be fine, and the shoelace won't mess with the tuning. So next, tie it up snugly, ensuring it's not going to slip while you're standing up strumming away. A common question is, if I have my guitar strap here, will it affect my guitar? Well, that's not going to happen at all. Well, it certainly hasn't happened to me. I've been doing this for years. It's not affected the neck at all. If your acoustic feels a bit uncomfortable or it slides around, then you might consider getting a strap button installed. And if I were you, I'd take it to a professional, but if you're brave, do it yourself. And there you have it. Oh, just a quick question for you. Have you ever wondered, why do some guitars come with only one strap button? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in today. And now, grab your guitar, rise to your feet, and strum along to these 12-bar blues backing tunes while being securely harnessed by your strap. Thanks for joining me today. Happy standing up strumming.